I have a Yamaha four-wheeler, a Grizzly, it's 2017. The running boards are all cracked on it, so I'm gonna see if I can make something to stiffen them up a bit. Got some pieces of angle iron. I'm gonna bolt them underneath to the foot pegs. There's some holes there. See how she turns out. You can see it very good, but I'm gonna tack some stuff together. There's already 4 holes down through the running board, but they're metric. I don't have any metric bolts, so I just jilted it a little bit and used 1/4" bolts to mount my things. I got one side made. Oh, paint it black and put it on and do the other side. Should work. This is why I'm making these things. The plastic's all busted and cracked. So I got my bracket made. Bolts to, there's 4 bolts there. I'm gonna bolt them through that. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll strengthen it right up. I just made the brackets underneath and bolted them through them holes. I'll cut those bolts off shorter. That's what it looks like from underneath. As you can see, I made them, they're not going to catch on nothing. Look good. Should really help, I hope. That's a view from on top.